Recently I had a case where a male teacher was alleged to have struck a female child in the class. And the child's story was full of inaccuracies and things that just weren't true. But at first, DCF took the story very seriously, much to their credit, and wanted to investigate. Now, the key to this whole case was that going to the scene where this allegedly happened brought out the fact that there's no way, no how that this could have happened. Now, why is that? The child alleged that she was hit in a certain area when she was lined up in line with the other children. So that meant there had to be a child in front of her and behind her, and many children behind her, that would have been part of that lineup and could corroborate or disprove her story. When I spoke to various parents who had nothing but the highest regard for this teacher, they also interviewed their children, and every single child said it never happened. And the parents wrote affidavits to help exonerate this fine teacher from this awful situation. The child also said that the teacher had hit her during gym class. Gym class had approximately 22 children in it. It's in an open gym with a gym teacher. So you had 22 children plus the gym teacher. That makes 23. Not one of them, except for this child, corroborated this child's story. And it was inaccurate. The child also said that she was hit in the back room in the back of the gym. In a physical review of the space, there was no and is not a back room in the gym. Again, inaccurate, false, bogus information. Now, when we put together her story, where she said that it happened on a certain date, that teacher was not in the country, let alone in Massachusetts. That teacher, via their passport, proved that they were in Ireland at the time of the alleged incident. So when all was said and all was done, DCF had this one child who made a complaint against a teacher that was just bogus, false, and not accurate. And all the evidence put together, DCF did the right thing. And they reviewed the facts and said that this didn't happen. And the allegation of neglect against this teacher was never supported. And that teacher still continues to teach and continues to do an excellent job, as was reported by every single parent, except for this one child who made this false, bogus, awful allegation against a wonderful teacher.